how you could fix. You couldn't verify your country if you're trying to purchase YouTube Premium. So if your screen looks something like this, you're having some problems, then the first thing I recommend you to do is make sure that if you are connected to any kind of VPN, then disconnect it, or if you're not using any VPN, try connecting to one to see if that solves the problem. Then if that doesn't work, what you can do is try to clear your browsing history and clear all of the cache and data. So just go to the YouTube's app info. From here, go to your storage and clear all of the cache and other data that might be causing the problem. But if that still doesn't work, then the last option that you can resort to is just open the app. From here, just tap on this profile and go to your settings. Just go back, and if you scroll down on your menu section, you will see help and feedback. Just tap on it. You will just have to contact the help and support team of YouTube or Google. So from here, you can send a feedback. You can add a screenshot, or you can just send some text messages. Tap on Get Started. Once you do this, you can describe your issue that you're not able to purchase YouTube Premium because it's failing to verify your country, so something like that, and then just send it. So within a day or two, your ticket should be formed, and the YouTube help and support team will be able to get back to you with a possible solution. That is all for today's video. I'll see you on the next one.